Welcome dear students in RCI Education Hub Bansur online classes. Today we study next topic in unit number 3, periodic trends in properties of elements. First of all, you see what is periodic trends. In periodic table already you see groups and periods up to downwards, that is called groups, and left to right goes, that is called periods. There will be 7 periods, 1 to 7, and there will be 1 to 18 groups. You already see in previous classes. Today we study periodic trends, that is first atomic radii, atomic radius. What do you mean by atomic radius? The radius which decide the size of atom. The radius which decide the size of atom calls atomic radius. That means size is decided according to atomic radius. So in group and in period we see what will be the size of atoms. You see, dear students, according to periodic table, for example, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, etc. elements, atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You see, as well as from left to right we go, there will be increase in atomic number that will be also increase according to atom size. That for hydrogen, that for helium, that may be lithium, maybe beryllium, boron, these type. So size will be increased according to atomic number. So as well as atomic number increase, size increase. You can see एटॉमिक नंबर के साथ में साइज क्या हो रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है लेफ्ट टू राइट, बट देर विल बी different properties also affect the size, in which we see one that is called effective nuclear charge, that noted Z effective, Z effective in period, we see left to right we go, there will be Z effective increase, so size of atom decrease, size of atom decrease, so atomic radii also decrease, ये तो किसमें है, पीरियड्स में लेफ्ट टू राइट जाने पर एटम का साइज डिक्रीज हो रहा है, उसका रीजन है जेड इफेक्टिव। जेड इफेक्टिव क्या है, इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज है। इन ग्रुप्स वी सी देयर विल बी अपोजिट ऑफ इट, हियर size increase, so atomic radius also increase, that means पीरियड में लेफ्ट टू राइट जाने पर क्या होगा, साइज डिक्रीज होगा, सो एटॉमिक रेडियस इज आल्सो डिक्रीज, बट इन ग्रुप साइज increase up to down, so atomic radii is also increase, so same. Next we see in this example, we go left to right, there will be atomic radii decrease. Why? Because there will be also decrease size due to factor, that is Z effective factor, that calls effective nuclear charge, directly affect the size as well as atomic radius in period. Next example, आप इसका नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, you can see in ग्रुप में इसका एग्जाम्पल है साइज का, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, you can see it's up to down goes, there will be size increase because there will be increase in atomic number, so atomic radii also increase in ग्रुप में क्या हो रहा है, रेडियस इंक्रीज हो रहा है, पीरियड में क्या हो रहा है, लेफ्ट टू राइट गो, because size of atom decrease, atomic radius is also decrease. So first of all we see atomic radius, that is periodic trends and property of elements. You see left to right goes, there will be atomic radius decrease, but up to down come, there will be size increase, so atomic radius is also increase. You can see that is atom, it have one atom, that is second atom, for example that is Cl2 molecule, Cl2 molecule है, एक Cl ये है, second is Cl, that is Cl2, that is center, that is R, radius, that is R, that means that equal to R plus R equal to 2R for Cl2. Cl2 की अगर बात करें तो ये टोटल कितना है, R plus R equal to 2R for one atom, or Cl, that will be 2R equal to 2, that means R. It means atomic radii is the half of molecules radii, so it may be two types. एटॉमिक रेडियई दो टाइप्स की होती हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी सी अकॉर्डिंग टू मॉलिक्यूल्स इट मे बी कोवलेंट रेडियई एंड आल्सो फॉर मेटल्स मेटालिक रेडियस. Dear students, there will be two types of atomic radius. First is covalent radius, second is metallic radius. In covalent radius, for example, you see Cl2, its size is mostly 1 to 8. For Cl, it will be half of 8, so there will be in comes picometer, meter, that is unit for measurement. Picometer, it will be 54 pico for Cl atom. For metallic radii is also same it for metals, just like copper, crystal type structure, solid compounds. You see these type copper crystals, ferrous crystals, it also have its atomic radii is mostly 188 picometer. So its metallic radii mr equal to, it is denoted by mr. Metallic radius is noted by Cr, covalent radius. So Mr equal to 188 divided by 2, that will be half. So it will be 94 picometer. So you can see there will be trends of atomic radii in period as well as in group, decide according to covalent and metallic nature of elements. If elements are covalent nature, there will be half of a molecule's radii comes for atom, and also for same metallic radius is for crystal structures. It is also come half of one crystals. So we can see there will be in period Z effective according and size according, atomic radii is also there decrease and also here increase. Okay, so next we see the trends of atomic radii. Now in next class we see the other trends of property in elements. Thank you.